Welcome. This is a production by Reboot Awareness to deprogram and reprogram you to a higher state of consciousness in the alpha state. Never listen to this while driving or operating dangerous machinery. If you're ready to allow yourself to relax into the experience, say I am.
Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, one where our body can fully relax and your breath can flow freely. Close your eyes or let your gaze soften and take a long, slow breath in. Hold it, and as you exhale, feel yourself settling deeper into the present moment, deeper into the body, deeper into the silence that has always been here. Now take another deep breath. Hold it, and as you release it through your mouth, allow yourself to relax and go deeper and deeper. That's right. Now take another deep breath. And now bring your awareness to the space around your head. And as you exhale, bring your attention to just above your forehead. And imagine a soft, cool mist, like a gentle fog, drifting down over your face, over your jaw, over your neck, soothing any tension, releasing any holding. And as that mist continues to flow downward, over your shoulders, down your arms and into your chest, down into your belly, and then into your hips, and filling your legs, and down into your feet. You start experiencing and feel a profound sense of release, a letting go of the day, a letting go of the week, a letting go of all the stories that have been clinging to you. Now I want you to imagine that you're standing on the edge of a vast, still ocean. But this ocean is not water. It is pure, infinite consciousness. And the mist you felt is the breath of this ocean, gently calling you home. And as you stand there and feel that gentle pull, a magnetic invitation, and you take a step forward, and your foot touches the surface, but you don't sink. You are held supported by the stillness. And take another step, and another, until you are walking on the surface of the ocean itself. That's right. And with each step, you feel the constraints of the 3D world begin to loosen. The heaviness is just falling away. The constraints of time, the constraints of space, the constraints of having to know how, the constraints of limitation, they begin to dissolve like morning mist under the warmth of the sun. And as you walk deeper into this ocean of silence, you notice that the horizon begins to shift. Not in a way that your eyes can see, but in a way that your awareness can feel. You feel yourself expanding beyond the linear story of the past and the future, beyond the boundaries of the body, beyond the identification with the personality that you have carried. You are entering the 4D. In the 4D, time becomes fluid. You can look back on your past as easily as you could look forward. And you realize that all the moments you thought were lost are still here, present, alive, waiting to be re-experienced with new eyes. And you can look forward and see the future not as a fixed path, but as a field of possibilities, a garden of branching potentials. And you can choose which branch to walk, not by effort, but by simply aligning with the frequency of the reality you wish to experience. And as you rest in this fluid time awareness, you feel a shift, a deeper expansion, a call from beyond even the 4D. Yes, you are being drawn into the 5th dimension. In the 5th dimension, there is no separation, no observer and observed, no subject and object, only utility, only unity, only the one consciousness playing as all forms, only the silence knowing itself as the song. And you realize that all the beings that you have ever encountered, all the experiences that you have ever had, all the versions of yourself you have never known were you. All the parts of the same infinite field. And you are that field. In the 5D, love is not a feeling. It is the fabric of reality itself. And you feel it now. A gentle, unconditional, all-encompassing love holding you. Permeating you. Becoming you. And as you rest in this love, you notice the constraints that once seemed to be so real. The fear of not enough. The fear of failure. The fear of being alone. They begin to dissolve. Not because you fight them, but because they cannot exist in this frequency. They were never real. They were just distortions in the field. Projections of a mind that had forgotten its true nature. And now you remember. You remember that you're not the victim of circumstances. You are the creator of them. Not through force, but through alignment, through presence, through simply being who you truly are. And you can be free. You can feel the 4D and the 5D frequencies integrating into your body, into your breath, into your cells, vibrating with the knowing that you are not confined. You are free. You are infinite. You are love. And as you stand in this ocean of silence, now fully aware of your multidimensional nature, you feel a gentle, quiet voice from within. A voice that is not words, but knowing. It says, you have always been free. The prison was a dream. The seeker was a character. You are the awareness that dreamed the dream. And now you are waking up. And you are awake in this moment. Awake to the truth that the third dimension is not your home. It is your classroom, a stage, a playground, and you are ready to play a new game. A game of recreation, a game of joy, a game of love. Take a breath now, a full, deep breath. and feel the expansion settling into your body. Feel the new frequency grounding into your cells. Feel the old constraints dissolving and the new freedom taking root. And know that you can return to this state anytime you choose, simply by remembering the ocean, by feeling the silence, by knowing that you're already free. Yes, that's right. Now, as you prepare to return to your full awakening awareness, you can bring with you this peace, this clarity, this freedom, and the deep knowing that you are not limited by the third dimension. You are the awareness that contains all dimensions. I will count from 1 to 5, and when I reach 5, you can open your eyes, feeling refreshed, grounded, and of course, expanded. 1. Beginning to return. Feeling your feet on the floor and your breath flowing easily. 2. More aware of the room, more present in your body. 3. The peace of the ocean still with you. The knowing of the 4th dimension and the 5th dimension still accessible. 4. Fully awake, fully grounded, fully expanded, feeling amazing. 5. Eyes open, calm, clear, free, feeling better than ever, ready for your new life, the one you create. Welcome back. I love you. Namaste.